Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yammar YM1600, 21 horsepower diesel. It's a nice tractor. It's good to get up to about 10 acres or so. Shown here with the optional 4-foot box scraper. Has a 3 down tines to it. These are brand new. It's a nice tractor. I put a new seat on it. Went through it completely. Changed all the fluids, filters. Put a new seat on it. Has a 4-foot bucket on it. These are brand new. I put the joystick controllers on it. It's pretty nice shape. It's got some surface rust. It was kind of looks like the Japanese dude that owned it painted over it a little bit, but it's not bad. Actually looks pretty nice. Again, it's got the 4-foot bucket on it. You can see the grill on it. It's kind of smashed in, ran into something obviously. Yammar YM. Oops, get the sun out of there. Yammar YM1600. You see, we just changed the oil on it, filters. Really nice shape. Tires are in really good shape. You see the spots on the body a little bit better in this picture here. It's got 891 hours on it. Again, it's got a new seat. Got a 3-speed PTO, which is right there. It's got high and low gears, so it's got a total of 8 speeds forward, 2 reverse. Yeah, these are decent tires. Not brand new, but they're nice shape. Yeah, there's the PTO on it. It's got the 3-point hitch. This is a nice size tractor. It'll do just about anything you want it to do. It'll do a 12-inch post hole digger, no problem at all. It'll do a tiller. This thing will lift up about 1,000 pounds if it's loaded in the back. With a box scraper on it like that, you can go about 600 or 700 pounds before the back end comes up. But if you put a tiller on it, like this one right here, it'll lift over 1,000 pounds, no problem. These loaders they're overbuilt actually. They'll do more than what tractors will handle. So this thing, as long as you can counterbalance, you can lift it. You can fill that thing up with concrete, and it'll lift it up. Go ahead and start it up here. You can see it doesn't blow smoke. Nice, smooth running. Pretty basic tractor. This is nice for, horse property, or you want to move a lot of crap around. Scoop up stuff and dump it. Move rocks around, boulders. If you want to hook a post hole digger up, it'll do the post hole digger. It'll obviously do a box scraper. Anyhow, here it is. It's a Yammar YM1600. This is David at Tough Tractors. If you have any questions, you want to see more tractors and implements, You can go to our website at ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.